Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to explore Sephora. Let's go ahead and see what's new in beauty, makeup, skincare. Let's get started. So some of the brands that I'm going to be sharing aren't necessarily going to be 100% brand new to Sephora. It could be new to me, maybe something of interest, and hopefully it's going to be also interesting to you. So first off, the Ilia Super Skin Tint Serum. With summer coming up and spring, I thought this would be a good one to try, and I'm so interested about the Ilia brand because it's one of those brands that I've never tried before. The Milk Makeup is another one that I really want to try. Look at the packaging, super cool. The Drunk Elephant hair and body line got me really curious. I've actually tried their shampoo and conditioner as well as their body lotion. I do want to try the other products that they have though. For those of you guys who would like a tan skin this summer, I think the Isle of the Paradise brand would be a good one. It's new to me, it's new to Sephora, or maybe it's new to me. Tower 28 is another brand that's new to me at Sephora, and I'm drawn to their tinted sunscreen. This is clean makeup at Sephora. I can't wait to try it. I think I'm drawn to summer and spring season because all I'm seeing are tinted sunscreens and sun protection. The Kosas brand, another clean makeup at Sephora. This brand is known as the brand for skincare freaks. So Kosas has great ingredients. So yeah, I would really love to try their foundation. Innisfree Firming Essence. Now that got me super excited. I need that firming, and the essence sounds amazing. I think it would be a great counterpart to the very expensive Tatcha essence, so I'm excited for this. So I saw the Innisfree Sunscreen, and what I like about it is that it has two types, one for mattifying and also one for hydrating. So I thought that was kind of unique. So obviously I took the mattifying one, and I'll be showing it in a haul soon. This Sephora mascara, Big by Definition, is definitely new. I'm always ready to try brand new mascaras, and this one's an affordable one, so I'm excited for that. This Peace Out brand is known for their skincare, acne fighting ingredients. I'm just curious about this retinol face stick. I don't think I've seen retinol in a stick form before. So that is something that I would definitely want to try. I am most excited about this Briogeo rice water. Briogeo is a brand known for their hair products, and now they have rice water. Like my girl Jackie from Jackie Naturals always raves about rice water for her hair and how it's really good for her hair. So I really want to try this. New to Sephora is this facial and neck massager, and I thought the shape was so unique. It has like a daisy-like shape. The shape of the tool allows it to glide nicely along the different contour lines of the face, the jawline, the neckline, and it helps reduce puffiness. So this is another one that I really would love to try. Well, that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Sephora finds, Sephora walkthrough. My daughter and I had lots of fun just going around Sephora, checking out what things that we actually would love to buy. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, especially if you like this type of video, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon.